Hi everybody. This is a plan of building. Basically, it is a 10-story office building and it has 7 bays of 7 meter in east-west direction and 5 bays of 5 meter in the perpendicular north-south directions. Our target using the software, I will create a building structural model. So let's move in the next slide to see the model of the building. This is the building model. It has 10 story as I said. Each floor height is 3.5 meter as well. Ground beam provided at a height of 1.5 meter from the ground. So let's move ahead to see how we will make this or how we will create this structural model using software. Here in Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis, I shall create a building structural model, and to do that, let's take this building design templates. So our first task is to create structural axes and stories. But before doing that, let's check language and units. So how to do that? Click on Tools, Preferences, English, accept it. Again Tools, Job Preferences, click on Units, Metric, so okay, finish it. So we are done with this part. So from menu bar, our task is to click geometry, choose axis definition on X tab, keeping this position 0, number of repetitions say 7, and number of distance 7 meter. So click Add, got it. Now for Y tab, position 0 and repetition say 5 and distance 5 meter. So add it. Here I need to change numbers. For X tab it was 1 to 3, but for Y tab it must be different, say A, B, C. Apply it. Close this. So we got the axis. Let's see in view how it looks. This is the thing. Now our target is to create stories. So menu bar, geometry, stories, click stories, define manually. Here is story 1. I want to change it to levels. So what to do? This story, I'll take define. So level this. So it is already level 1.5. This is 1.5. Now, see here I am taking 10 because I will create 10-story building model. So repetition will be 10, but floor height will be 3.5. So let's add this. I got it. So total will be 36.50. So it's perfect. Now apply it. It is done. So my next target is to add columns. To do this, turn on plan. Now from geometry, we can click on column. Steel column, but I need RC column. 45, 45, but I need 40 by 40. Say here 40 by 40. So it is okay. This one, actually I can change this also concrete 30. Let's see how it's possible. Concrete 30, and here say it is 40. Also it is 40. So add this, close. So we are now with this 40 by 40, concrete 30. Now click here for beginning to make cursor active. So click here at the extreme left top corners, I mean that intersections. If I click here, I get column this size. Now let's select this. Once I select, now from edit, I can bring this move copy translation. So here in this column, if I want to place on this line, so it will be repeated 7 times. So why not I am putting here 7 and make this position active translation vector. Now it will work. Click here and then here. So you get all. Now again select and select all this column. Now make sure here 5, because there is a 5 line only. So click here to make it active, then click here, then click at second line. We got all columns, so we are done. Let's see in view how it looks. Look at. Why not clicking on section shape? Now good looking. So this is the situation. We have column up to 1.5 meter height because I am planning to put here ground beam. So what to do first? Let's turn on the plan. Now what I'll do, say I will put some beams and then I can go for, or better, first I choose to create the wall here. Wall. Make sure wall thickness should be 25. Even if you want some other value, you can click here and change it. Type it how much you need and change this and add it. So this thickness will appear here. But I am not going to do because already there is a thickness of 25. I'll choose this. So I'm done here. Now easily I can create here this wall and look at drag, it is with tick, so you can do it continuously. So we are done. Let's see in view how it looks. See this one. Now one important things we have to do, say I'll do it later. First here I'll make some beams. So what to do? Here choose beams. Steel beam, I need RC beam 30 by 50, but I need 40 by 60. Here also you can do the same thing, clicking here. You can type it, then add it, it will appear here. So it is done. Now cursor is active, so I can put this beam, not this one. I have to change it 40 by 60. So start from here and make sure this drag is on, so you can draw it one line, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I am done. But I don't need these writings. So what to do? Go for display. Bar description. Here there is, remove this tick. Apply it and OK. See, no writings. Perfect. Now I need to copy this, then to be pasted on all these positions. So in this regard, what I have to do, say I am putting here, say beam. How many beams I have here? So this is the beam I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why not I am selecting this beam? So this beam and this beam. So these 5 beams are selected. If you look at view, see that 5 beams are selected. So what to do? I will bring this edit and this move and copy 7 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So why not write here 7 times and make this vector active? So click here and click here. You got all. Now I shall go now for this line. So what to do? Click here to make it active. So why not I make one line, say here, and put this drag on stick. So it will be easy. So here you got all second one, then third one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, this one. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So why not I am going here to select this. You look at this. So here what you can do here. Say from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's click up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think this 7 is selected. Let's see in the view. Perfect. So we are here now. Now what I'll do, I will bring that copy. I can take it from edit or alter EEM. You get it, same thing. So what to do here? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why not putting here 5 and then make this vector position active. So we are ready now. So click here and click here. All the beams are ready now. So it is okay. So it is done. So if we look at view, we can see all the beams. Now if you look at these positions, we need walls, but over the wall we don't need beams, and beside wall we don't need column, because this from here to here it will be only wall. So what to do now? This is say 109, 69, this is 74. So let's see that. We go to plan. This is the thing. Say we don't need this to be on this now. So we are here. Now say select selected. Again selected. So let's check in the view how far it is selected. So look at, these are the thing we selected, but column is not selected. So this column, say we can select, like this, or this also column we can select, and this column also we can select, and this column also we can select, because I want to remove all this. So here what we found, so out of all this we want to keep only the wall, other things to be removed. So how to do that? It's very easy. Here you click bar selections, then go here, panel, click none. See, deselected all the walls. Now we want to delete this beam and this column. So let's go to the edit and click on delete. See, all gone. Perfect. We are now okay. Perfect situation. Now go to plan. We are at 1.5. So why not we go up now? So we go level 5. So this is now level 5. I mean story 1. So what I have to do here, I have to create column, geometry, and the column. So this is okay, RC column 40 by 40, concrete 30, everything perfect. And this cursor also active. So surely I can put here one column. This one. Now I need to select this column. How to say select? Click here. Look at, only this column is selected, or see, perfect. Only column is selected. Now my task is to create this line. I mean column will be on this line. So like before, we can bring, say, alter EEM. Got it. So I can put here, say, 7. Make this translation vector active. Now click here and here also. So got it. You got all the column. Now if I say go for select and select this all column, look at view, is it selected or not? Look at, all are selected. All are selected. Now return on plan and copy for whole area. So what to do? Say here it will be 5. Make this translation vector active. Click on this. So you are now here. Click here. You got all the column. So close this and close this. Now look at view, how it looks. See, it is done. All the column in the story 1. So return on plan. Now it is on 5-meter level. So our task now is to create walls. Go geometry and click on walls. Thickness will be 25. So we can draw it very fast here and here, here and here. So we got the wall. Close it. Let's see this. See, wall is created. But we don't need this column. So what we'll do, we'll do like before. Say select. Click here. So column and walls are selected. Look at. Columns and walls are selected. So like before, we click here bar selection and we put here, say click here, select panel and click on none. See, now it's gone. Now we have to remove this 4 column. So what to do? Edit, click on delete. All column gone. So we are done here. Return on plan. Now our task is to create a floor and floor opening. So first we create floor. To do that, click floors. You got it. It must be rectangular. Make sure about thickness. But to be sure with, say you can click here also like before. When I click here, you will see, say if I click here, this will appear. Whatever thickness you need, type here and you will get it. So I don't need that changing because already I have here that thickness what I need. I need for the slab 20. So I got it 20. So what to do here? Cursor is active. So click here, bring here and then click at this third points. You got the floor. Now we can close this because we already got the floor. Why not we see the view, how it looks. So it looks like that. And this floor, it is on the wall also, but I will make an opening here. So this part will be free of floors. So to do that, let's turn on plan. Now click geometry, object, rectangle. Then you got it. Now very easy. Click here and click this point, then the third point. You got it. Close it. If we see the view, now opening will be very clear to look at. See here, there is no slab. It is open now. It is now open. Now turn on the plan. So this is the situation with opening. Now our next task is to copy this story 1 up to 10 story. So how to do that? So let's bring our story or level positions here. So this slab or this floor, it is on the position of, it is on the position of, say, let's see properties of this. I just want to change this instead curtain wall. So what I'll do, I am putting here, say, curtain wall. So cancel this. I will put this curtain wall shell. So it is okay. Curtain wall will be as a shell. So apply this. An object with this number already is there. Do you want to modify it? Yes. So we got this as a shell. So we are done. Actually, before it was curtain wall, I changed it to shell because I can check it again to be sure with. Look at object properties. Now it is shell. So it is correct now. Close it. Okay. Now I want to copy this story 1 up to 10. So what I'll do, click level +5, right click, remove this tick, removed. Now what you will do, say here, so you will copy content of the story up to content of the story up to, say here, number 10. Number 10. No, it will be number 9. Otherwise, it will be one floor more. So number 9. Click OK. Perfect. We got the 10 story, and even you can check it, the height 36.5. It is 10 story. Now I will apply loads on this floor. So before doing that, I will change this wall. I will change this wall as a core. So how to do that? So let's see this. You bring this, close this, click on wall, and you can select this, and then you can go up to the bottom, up to here. So it is okay. So whole walls are selected. So what I'll do, I will click here on course. This is the thing. Now these walls, their address, I mean their numbers are here. So why not I click on it to copy this. So copy this and paste it here. So it is done. So these whole walls numbers are pasted here. Now click on add. So it is done. Now this is the wall, actually this one. Already it is converted to the core wall. So close it. Now you are done. It is okay now. This is the core wall. But question is, I can put some color on it so it will be looking good and distinct. How to? So make with colors. Go for color of core walls. Click here. So apply. Okay. See, color change. Now this is core walls. Now I am going to put some load on it. So how to make the loads? Go for this one, load types. Or before loading, better I do some other things. Say here, I want to put cladding. So here how to put cladding? So this one, cladding. Rectangle. Now click here. Click here and then click here. So I got the cladding. As well, I can make here also cladding. Cladding. So I got cladding here also. So I am done with this cladding. Now I can change the color of this cladding. How we can do that? Mark with color, or this one, cladding legend by colors. So click here, apply it, got it. See, now it looks good. Actually I could put cladding for all the area, all this face, but I did not do that. Actually my target is to keep some part open, as well we can see distinctly the core. So this is the situation now. So I think I will stop here. In the next video I will show how to apply loads, I mean dead load, live load, snow load, as well how to generate wind loads also, because we need all these loads to create a combination of loads, load combinations. So we'll do it in the next video.